Hello everyone. Again, I'm here with your grade 12th CBSE board paper pattern as promised. So I would just request, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If you've not shared it, please share it with your fellow mates so that they can also watch. Fine. This is for the ones who are going to appear in May for their exam with a reduced portion of syllabus. Fine. So in this video, I'll be specifically talking about the paper design or paper pattern which has been changed. This is the revised changed paper pattern of grade 12th CBSE board. I'll be making the paper pattern for grade 12th ISC as well. So don't think aapke liye nahi banega video. I'll be making for you as well. But today we are going to talk about 12th CBSE board pattern. Please do keep watching and please share it as much as you can. So we'll start. I've bifurcated it into a few headings, which starts from section, that means how many sections, which sections, type of questions in that section, number of questions from where it starts and where it ends, total number of questions which you will get, and total marks. The paper pattern plays a very important role when you sit for a board exam. You have a clear idea that this type of a question is going to come here. This is how you need to attempt. We'll be talking about it later. But yes, this is the paper pattern, how you get your paper. Starting up with the sections. Section A. First of all, section A. The question types in section A are very short answer questions. Very short answer questions and assertion question. Now this assertion is a new addition. This assertion type questions is the new addition in your paper. If you have given your pre-boards or they are going on, your teacher must be giving you these assertion type questions. So assertion type questions plus in this section only you are going to get case-based questions. I'll tell you what are they. Case-based questions, this is also a new addition to the paper. So assertion question, case-based questions are going to come in section A, and both of them are a new addition to your paper. Question number, now the question number starts from, for very short and assertion, it is from question number 1 to question number 4. I'm sorry. Question number 14, and case-based, there are two case-based questions, that is question number 15 and question number 16. Fine. That means very short and reasoning, reasoning and assertion will be from question number 1 to question number 14. Last ke jo questions hai, they will be assertion and reasoning. From question number 1 it will be very short. Case based, you are going to for sure going to get two case based questions. यहाँ पे मैं लिख देती हूँ paragraph questions, और उसके paragraph के साथ you have MCQs. That means there is a paragraph which is given and there are MCQs attached to that paragraph or following that paragraph which you need to answer. So that is question 15 to 16. Total number of questions, here we have and 14 marks, and here we have 8. Fine. So this is how 1 mark each, very short and assertion 1 mark each, case based questions 2 questions. Okay, next, moving to the next section, these are the two new additions that you need to take care of. Section B. In section B you have short questions type 1. Why I am writing type 1? Why I am writing type 1? Because here also you have short questions. Next section also 2 short questions. These are 2 markers. Next will be 3 markers. दोनों को ही we count as short questions. Short questions. The question starts from question number 17 to question number 25, which is 18. Fine. Again, section C. Short questions type 2, that is 3 markers, starts from question number 26 to question number 30, 3 markers, and you have, okay, Last section, obviously the long answer ones, long questions. Question number 31 to 33, 5 marks each, and you have 15. That makes a total of 70. 30 marks practical. Fine. Again, I'm just repeating some things again. Short answer and long answer. This is the same part what you were getting in the previous paper. Always remember, these long answer questions generally are divided into 2, 3 or 3, 2 or 1, 1, 1. But yes, in CBSE you get a full 5 marker also. So you have to prepare that way also. New additions are assertion and case-based question. Very, very important. Case-based question, you have a paragraph and then you have MCQs which follow and you have to answer them. Number of questions, number of marks. So this is the paper pattern for CBSE grade 12th board exam. In the further videos, I'll be taking up unit-wise important topics as per the analysis made from 2017 to 2019. 3 साल के पिछले board papers को देख के according to them I have made an analysis where I have divided it on the basis of the units and the topics which were there and the number of questions which you got, which will give you an idea what to focus on. Fine. Same will be made for ISC as well. So keep watching, liking, sharing and subscribing. Thank you.